Hey there, Principal Randall. Thank you so much for logging on today.
Absolutely excited to be here.
Yeah, so as you know, your campus was chosen as part of our Campus Close-Up series. We're going to be there all week long telling the great stories about your campus. And that's kind of the first question, if you will. Kind of just talk to me about what's the beginning of the school year been like for you? What's been the collective feel around there, if you will?
Absolutely. Well, it's been super exciting. We're coming off a huge win as a campus, being an 89B+. So we've done a lot of celebrating our teachers and our students and our community. So it's had a really great positive vibe. The kids are very happy. The teachers are very happy. It's just been really exciting and fun. First days of school, everything was super smooth. The teachers are ready to rock and roll with instruction that first day. We've had some amazing sports wins come our way at the beginning of the school year. So it's been pretty great at Waltrip High School.
I love that. What would you attribute those remarkable gains that we've been talking about, the accountability rates? What would you attribute that at your campus specifically?
You know, I think it was, it's hard to pinpoint one thing, but I'm gonna put it toward the culture of we really wanting to get this done, and it's not just the students and the teachers, but our parents and the PTO. I mean, everyone dug in to make sure that Waltrip had everything they needed to be successful. Students came early for tutoring. They stayed late. Teachers analyzed data. They, worked with parents to learn more about their kids, and how they can be successful. And so when I say this was a full Waltrip community effort, it really, really was. And so we also got great support. We're huge fans of our Executive Director of Instruction, Ms. Rhonda Honore. She's such a huge support for the campus, and she was in the work with us. And so all those things just kind of fell together and got us that 20-point gain to that B+.
I love that. And coming off that big high, I would imagine, what's kind of the focus now for this school year?
Well, now we have to have an A.
There you go. I love that. I love that.
It's the next thing. And so now we're really diving into, what was successful last year and carrying that over, making sure that our teachers have everything they need to internalize lessons, lots of planning time, making sure that our students are celebrated for the great work they do. We find that our kids really are willing to do the extra work and go the extra mile when we're, acknowledging those efforts. And so we're really working as a campus to add more student culture initiatives. And that's been really exciting. We've actually already had one last week that was really great. So, little things like that to kind of move the needle forward and to keep everybody supported as we work hard.
I love that. For someone who doesn't know about Waltrip, are there any outstanding kind of clubs or programs or something that the school is really known for or that you're really proud of?
Oh my gosh, it's hard to choose because I love them all. We've got 1,500 and, 1,525, students here, and every single one of them has a place on my heart, but we're very proud of our, let me see if I can make sure I say it right, the Roaring Red Ram Band. We call ourselves the pride of HISD, and boy, we are. This is an incredible marching band that's over 150 students strong. They traveled to the Sugar Bowl last year. They get invited all over the place. I have to say no for them all the time because they get invited to so many places. Our jazz band is also nationally recognized, and so things like that make our band and music program really exciting. Our athletics, we offer every athletics, every sports program team, that you can have. Very excited. Our water polo team is about to kick off with their season, and so we're excited about them. Our football team had a great win over Milby last week, which is another challenging program. So we have a lot of things going for us there. Our robotics program, they get invited all over as well. So we have an excellent robotics competitive program where they build it's almost like a battle bot type of situation. And then we also have a competitive drone team, which is very cool.
Wow, that is a lot going on there. I honestly can't wait to be there to kind of highlight all of these great programs and things happening at your school. Kind of just last question here, if you will, kind of a going message for your families or for your parents and students, any message at all that you want them to know?
We are, probably one of the closest knit communities that in my 22 years I've ever been a part of. I love how everybody works together, from the parents to the teachers to the staff and to the students, obviously. Students of Waltrip High School, you're it. You're why we do it. You're why we show up. And, we're already so proud of you, but we can't wait to see what we're going to do in the future.
I love that. Well, thank you again for hopping on this morning. Like I said, we'll be at your campus all week long telling all those great stories you just talked about. Again, thank you for your time. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely. We're excited too.